Brett Middleton from MRT Performance in Sydney. My age at the moment, 55, and here we are at the moment at the Whiteline Tarmac Rally Sprint. My current vehicle is a MY15 STI. My car used to be the Whiteline Test and Development car, so that's my STI and it's now part of the MRT Test and Development. My first ever car was a VW Beetle. My favourite track is here at the Whiteline Tarmac Rally Sprint Sydney Dragway. My fastest lap time around this track is, actually I can't answer because I'm the director. Favourite Whiteline product is the anti-lift kit because we were involved in the original development of it many years ago. And because you get really good value with sway bars and springs. One word to give the best description of Whiteline parts of my car are value and fun.